In this video, I will show how to draw and dimension this pipe. Okay, so if I just turn the pipe so you can get a good view, there it's hollow on the inside. There's one view and there's the other view this way. So that's just a rectangle this way and it's two circles the other way. So let's go to AutoCAD here and let's draw it. Okay, we're going to go to our interior border. We're going to switch over to our con layer. Okay, we're in the con layer. I like to start off by drawing the two circles. So on the top, I will draw the one circle, and it'll be 3-inch radius or 6-inch diameter. So I'll put 3, enter, and I'll draw another circle. I'll use the radius as well, and this one will be a 2-inch radius. So I'm just going to pick the center of that and go 2-inch radius. Now I'm going to draw my center lines for that. So I'll go to the center lines. And I can just go to the quadrant, and then quadrant to quadrant. Now, if I look at these center lines, they should not touch the outside. So I'm going to do is draw a dummy circle. So I'm going to draw a little bit bigger circle from here to here. And then I'm going to extend. I'm going to use the extend command here. Okay, and I'll hit enter, and I'll extend all these lines to there, and then you get this beautiful plus sign in the middle. Now, if you think there should be more dash, so it should be a long line than a short line and a long line, you can type line thickness scale, LTS. You type, you hit enter, and you can switch it to 2, maybe enter a smaller number, and then you can see other types of lines coming, like you can see them further apart than before. Now I'm going to draw the other view. So I'm going to switch back to con, and I'm going to draw that rectangle. So from here, I'm going to come down over here, and I'm going to come down about 10. Okay, and I'll come this way by, I have to match up there. Or if I remember my diameter is 6, I can just type 6. I can bring it back up by 10, and finish it down here. Okay, now I'm going to draw the dash lines to the hidden lines here from right there. So I'm going to draw a hidden line from right here. I'm going to bring it right, oh, missed it. Bring it right from, if you have trouble like me, just click there and click there. It looks like I drew the other one in the wrong place. And this one, click here. This one's in the right place, and I click here. Okay, it does not look lined up. So we're just going to draw another line down here and line it up and put it in the right place. So we'll move this box and we'll make sure it's lined up perfectly here. And then hopefully this side is perfectly lined up. Okay, now we've got our, I'll just delete that and I'll trim here. So I will use the, instead of the trim command instead of the extend command, and I'll trim over this part and I'll trim this part. I'll come in here and I'll erase these couple lines here that got trimmed in between. I'll hit the delete key, I'll highlight and hit the delete key. Now one more thing, I just got to draw the center line here. So the center line we can just draw it from here and bring it all the way down here. Okay, now I'll draw the other view on the right here. So again, I will this time hopefully do a better job than the last time. I'll use the line command from the corner here, make sure it lines up. Okay, and make sure it goes to that corner right there. I'm not sure, but I know it's a diameter 6, so I'll go 6, enter. I can go 10 here. I can bring it up by 6, and I can click here. I'll switch over to the dash line. I can go over here, just click there and there. Click that line again. And make sure I'm in the dash line, click here and here. And then I switch over to the center line. I can draw a line. I can start here, and it just has to be in line. Can go here to there. Now, this one is exactly the same as that one. So if you didn't want to, I could have just erased. Instead, I could have just copied this one that I drew over here, copied it down over here. Then I could have used my rotate command. So there's the rotate. Highlight that. So the rotate command, highlight that. Click here, and then I rotate it by 90. I can just type 90. Okay, and then I could have just matched it up. I could have just used the move command, picked all this, and moved it and lined it up there nicely and moved it down as long as that one's drawn. Only takes a few dimensions, so I will use the dim. Okay, so we will get how long it is here, and we'll add the 2 diameters. So full circles, you add diameter. So you add the 1 diameter here. Okay, and if it was a part of a circle, you would use radius, like a fillet. But here, they're full circles, so one's a 4 inch and the other is a 6. You only need the 3 dimensions.